Afternoon, folks. Jared from River Valley, Lake Minnetonka. Want to take a minute to step inside our showroom to go over the 2020 22 SSRX by Bennington Marine. Nice thing is Bennington, once again, hear what consumers want, have changed this boat, just small details. The layout's been synonymous for years. It's one of the most popular floor plans that are out there. But Bennington made some small changes for the customer's request that make the boats even better yet. First of all, when you step up to the 2020 helm, you'll notice that the garment locator is now dead center. It used to be off to the side here. Now they put it right in the middle of the dash, put gauges around it, making it much more easily viewed by the driver and co-captain. You also notice that this one now will have Simtex materials now standard with the new tricolor interior. So you don't have to go to a premium anymore to get the nice Simtex material. As you walk through, the standard high back captain chairs are a great way for a husband and wife to go cruising together. As you walk to the front, you have a nice wraparound seating, more than enough comfort to have 4 of your friends sitting up here together. You do have the option with the bow-grade seat. I did not order with this one, but it's definitely an option. Bennington still has their nice ones again. Portable cup holders, all the storage and everything's hinged, which is synonymous with what Bennington does. That's why they are the number one sold pontoon in the country. Nice thing also, they've upgraded their table for 2020. Instead of being plastic, they went more to a true wood grain feel, and they even did a little bit of a contour here, so it's a little bit easier to walk around. And it easily spins all around as well. Folks, Bennington, number one pontoon in the country. You can touch, you can feel, you can see why. I'm Jared from River Valley. Look forward to talking to you soon.